Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. In today's video, we are diving into the fascinating world of education and exploring the concept of interdisciplinary teaching. Interdisciplinary teaching is an innovative and dynamic pedagogical approach that combines multiple academic disciplines into a cohesive learning experience. It breaks down the traditional barrier between subjects and encourages students to critically think, problem solve, and connect knowledge across different fields. Why is interdisciplinary teaching so crucial in today's educational landscape? Well, as our world becomes increasingly interconnected, complex problems require multifaceted solutions. Interdisciplinary teaching equips students with the tool to tackle these challenges effectively. By bringing together diverse perspectives, it fosters an inclusive and holistic learning environment where students can explore topics from a variety of angles. Let's discuss some practical strategies to implement it in the classroom. Firstly, curriculum design plays a pivotal role. Identify common themes or concepts across subjects and develop learning objectives that integrate them organically. For instance, art and science can intersect beautifully through a project on the anatomy of living organisms. Secondly, collaboration among teachers is essential. Engage in professional learning communities or cross-disciplinary teams to share ideas, resources, and best practices. Next, embrace technology as a powerful tool. Digital resources and online platforms can facilitate cross-curricular connections, provide multimedia materials, and enable virtual collaborations with experts or other classrooms around the world. Lastly, assessment is key. Traditional forms of assessment may not capture the richness of interdisciplinary learning. Opt for authentic assessments such as project-based evaluations, presentation, or portfolios that allows students to demonstrate their understanding and application of knowledge across multiple disciplines. Finally, let's discuss 4 real-life examples of interdisciplinary tasks you can assign to your students. You can see on the screen, you can assign students sustainable food production, where students studying biology, chemistry, and environmental management can work together. Similarly, in renewable energy project, students who are studying physics, geography, and mathematics can collaborate on a project to explore renewable energy resources. For historical documentary, media studies, history, English literature can collaborate to create a historical documentary. Entrepreneurship project, business studies students, economics, design, and technology can work together to develop a business plan. As we conclude this video, it is evident that interdisciplinary teaching holds incredible potential in preparing our students for an interconnected future. By breaking down the barriers between subject areas, fostering collaboration, and integrating real-world context, we can create authentic and enriching educational experience for our students. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.